Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to open a song in Spotify that you have found using the application Shazam. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down to the My Music section and tap on Shazams. Now you are ready to select the one song that you would like to open in your Shazam from your Shazam results. So tap on the one that interests you the most, and then in the middle of the screen you can see this button open, so just click on it and now you will be directed to your Spotify account. Tap on the one that you would like to add to your playlist. I'm going to choose this first one, and you can either play it, add to your favorites by tapping this heart icon, or even add to one of your playlists by tapping on the icon add to playlist. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.